Yes, welcome to Alicare. This is Thea. Today we're going to do a video and my facial routine for the summer. So if you notice, my lighting is not perfect, so you can't see the real glow of my skin. So my lighting is not perfect, beyond my control, guys, so excuse me for that. But basically what I want to do is walk you through my routine and just have a little chit chat and show you exactly what I do from the beginning, making this recipe for my face. Now this is carrot. Everybody know that I use carrot to tone my skin, but what I do since the summer, I stopped for a while because I changed the carrot and start using turmeric, and when I realized that when I go in the sun with the turmeric, I come out looking back darker. So I'm going back to my carrot method for the summer. So for the summer I'm using carrot, and this is how I make my carrot. So this is a grater, so I'm gonna grate it. So I'm grating the carrot, showing you that is nothing hard that you have to do. If you have a juicer you can, but since it's not a lot that we need, because if you notice just a little piece, this is one facial you're going to do. And I like to use fresh things, so I don't grate a lot. I like to use fresh things. I don't grate a lot and put it in freezer or fridge as how people would do that. Because it's wet, it's not going to fall off, so you can just use your hand and take it off. And this is the amount that I get. I don't need more than that, so I can put this in a Ziploc bag and put it back in my fridge. And I cut it from this big amount, so all I need is this one. Right, so that one carrot, and this is what's in there. Right, now rice powder. So this rice powder, now I'm going to use this as my scrub. So I don't need a lot, just this little amount, not even an ounce, because it's just my face I'm doing. So if you buy this dish, all of the rice powder sell. It comes in this container looking like this, and this amount is in Jamaican is for $500. So, and this is what I need at a time. So it will serve you a very long time. And this is honey, right? So I'm going to use the honey. So basically I'm making the scrub here, and the carrot is the treatment. So this is honey. You can use too much honey, right? So I mix it up, and from I mix it up, this is all I need. Oops. And from I mix it, this is all I need, and my hand, and I rub it on my face. And this is just the scrub for my face. So I use my two hands. I don't need any more. If you feel it too coarse, you just apply it on your face and leave it, and it will soften up. After all the preservatives come out into your pores, it will soften up, so you just leave it for a little and it gets softer, and you can go and exfoliate the skin with it. So I'm gonna let it stay a little on my face and soften up. So how long is best to leave a rice powder on your skin? For the body, I recommend 25 minutes or more, depends on how fast you want the action to start showing. But for your face, when you're doing a facial, the best time about 15 minutes. So I'm going to leave this, so you can leave it on your face for 15 minutes, and what you do after the 15 minutes, instead of to just take up the towel and cleanse it off, just to exfoliate the skin, give it a scrub like movement. Because in the first part, this is just like when you're using the nutmeg, it is too coarse for the skin, right? So right now it's getting softer, so It's not really coarse, you know, but just in case if you think it's too coarse, right? It's getting softer right now. And remember the movements, guys. Remember the movement of how you exfoliate your own face. Remember to follow the bone structure, right? And the 15 minutes is up. What you can also do, if you have a steamer, this is a dish, you can put a towel over your head like this. If you don't have a steamer, you can put a towel over your head like this and steam. But I have a steamer, so I'm going to use my steamer to steam my face. Now, reason being why I steam my face while the scrub is on it, to me, I get the best result out of a natural product once heat is attached to it. So I steam it, open up the pores, so everything can clean out, and the honey and everything can extract it, because you know honey is antioxidant, and the rice scrub, it exfoliate and it take away, it just go inside your skin and detox it, take off all those dead cells and skins. You don't have to use anything with electric to exfoliate your skin. It gets it smooth like baby button without no radiation to your skin, no cancer attached, nothing at all. So it just take care of it. Any wart, anything that you have will eventually drop off once you follow this routine, right? It's good because my rice powder, I mix it with like lemon, and I have nutmeg in there, so it's good for your skin. It's a good scrub, so you can use it on your whole body and your face. I mean, for the face, as I said, maybe you would think that it's a little bit too coarse, but what you can do is apply it, steam your face while it's on it, and leave it for 15 minutes, or leave it for 15 minutes and put your face over a dish of warm water, and then you just go ahead and exfoliate the skin after. So while this is steaming, and I'm going to use lukewarm water, because you know I use warm water here, so I have to use lukewarm water now to cleanse this off, because I don't want to close back the pores, because I want the pores open for the carrot juice. So I use lukewarm water to cleanse this off my face so my pores don't close back. So I'm gonna cleanse it off now. So there's water in this dish, so I'm gonna cleanse it off now. And see, it's very soft now. Everything is out, so just cleansing it off. And honestly, I'm not prettying up anything, right? Because it's my face. It's not like it's a client. It's my face. So how I would handle a client face, I can't do it the same way as how I would do mine, right? So this is the forehead, right? The jaw. That's how I feel comfortable doing it. So you do it how you feel comfortable. Just don't strain the bone structure in your face, because you want to look good, not lean and dent up. Just wiping off the hairline. Alright, don't worry about getting off all the dust and everything. It's not something to bite you, so you can stay, right? So now my pores is still open. I'm going to go for the carrot. Now what I always tell people, you do after you grate the carrot, or you blend it, whichever, or you use a juice or a mixer, anything that you use to crush vegetables, you do not use water. When you squeeze the carrot, you get juice. You have some juicer that put the chush one side and the juice one side. They can use that. See, there is juice. But because I don't have that right now, that is at home. I'm at my salon now. So I'm basically just going to put the carrot. And I tell you the truth, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't use any juicer. Most time I'm on a rush. So I just take the little vegetable grater and grate it. and I just go ahead. See there, the juice is coming out same way, and I rub it on. And then I might go ahead and, you know, shave my leg if I'm going to shave my leg, or if I'm making breakfast or doing any tidy up, I leave it on it. And remember, if you have warm water at your home and you know you're going to shower, you just get up, brush your teeth, wash your face with some warm water, and then you know you just make and grate a piece of carrot and rub it over your face and leave it and go do your home chores. You don't have to go through the long thing that I'm going through here by sitting down, use a steamer, use some warm water, because there and then your pores will clean. The scrub is an easy one too, because when you're washing your face, instead of use soap, you use a scrub and you just quickly go. Right, and I make sure what I love about carrots, oh my god, just don't make the dust get in your eye, but I can rub it over my eye. I don't have to worry about it getting into my eye. Right, and I leave this on. I have some chores to do, but my chores today is to talk to you about facial care. So while this is on, let's talk to you. Let's talk. Now, what do I do now when I'm going on the road to prevent from sunburn? Look at this big thing of aloe vera. You see it? Very big. This aloe vera, right? Now, what most people don't know is the aloe vera juice. So that's a freshly cut aloe vera. What most people don't know about aloe vera, there's a way how to use it. And I mentioned in one of my video, I mentioned in one of my video about aloe vera and how I use it as a sunblock to protect my skin. I also tell you that I use it to tighten my skin. I also tell you that it's good to not let your makeup sweat. If you have sweaty butt, sweaty stomach, sweaty arm, it's good to rub aloe vera gel on it, or that area. So when you're going into the sun and you use aloe vera and you're bleaching, and when you go home you realize you're a little darker, then you say aloe vera make it dark in the sun. That's not true. What aloe vera do is preserve your natural skin tone, and if your natural skin tone are dark, that color, you're going to have that color, right? It's not going to change your color and put you to brown or let you stay milky white. It does protect your skin from the sun. A sunblock cream protect your skin. It doesn't stop the sun from burning you so you look dark, but what it do, it protect your layer to a certain extent so you don't get skin cancer, and it just protects your skin, right? So that is why you use aloe vera when going into the sun. For white people who do it and go on the beach, because I notice white people do use it, go on the beach, and when they come off the beach, them skin look tan, them say aloe vera don't work for them. You go tan because the sun aloe vera, the sun is stronger than the aloe vera, so you're still going to look tan. What it does is protect your skin from looking dry out. So even though you look tan, when you go home, your skin is not dried out and look funny, and you know, it look good same way. So aloe vera is for that. It's not to change your skin color or to maintain your bleaching look, because that's not your natural skin color. So your color will look a little bit different. If you're bleaching and you look too pale and your skin too thin, the aloe vera is the best thing to use because it tightens up your skin and make it firmer. It does not help to bleach you or maintain your bleaching. Second, I want to mention about the aloe vera also. When you get a stalk of aloe vera, like I just showed you, it's a little bit messy, so I don't want to hold it too long because I need to wash it off. Right? So you cut off a little piece and you use this little piece, you put it in the fridge. Do not strip the whole of the aloe vera and put it in a jar and leave it in the fridge. And tomorrow morning you get up and put it on your face, or you put it on your skin and go on the beach, or you walking in the sun, or you doing a walk and then say the aloe vera don't work for you. It doesn't work that way. You have to use a freshly cut. So if you cut this long stalk that I just show you, every time you want piece, you slice off piece, you put back the stalk. Do not blend it up and put it in an airtight jar, or just put it down and think say, okay, the gel out of it, everything out of it, it's done. The skin and this is there to protect the gel inside. Once you open it, you have to use it immediately. If you're making a drinks, it's different, because the bitterness is still there, but it's still not good to leave for a long time. It doesn't come with its own preservatives. So that's one of the talk that we will have. Any other question you have, there is a link on my YouTube page. You can just click on it. I have a blog section. You can email me also. Any question you have, you can ask me there to help you. And how long do I leave the carrot on for? I leave it as long as I finish do my chores. But if I'm to tell you to see a result, I normally, like if I'm giving a facial to a client and they want this kind of treatment, I normally leave the mask on for at least half an hour. Now the carrot, you can feel it tighten up my skin. I don't mix this carrot with anything, you know. But if you want to mix it with something to get a better result, and I wouldn't say a better result, if you just want to mix it, you can tip a little tea tree oil in it, or yeah, tea tree oil in it, and that's it. And that's the only thing I would recommend that you mix it with, because what the carrot is doing now is toning my skin, and reason why I use the honey and the scrub, you know it even up my skin tone also. So the carrot give me a nice glow. After I cleanse off the carrot, I'll use a moisturizer. What kind of moisturizer I'll use? I'll use any carrot oil, and I'll just use a little and moisturize my face. I have dry skin, so I can maintain the carrot oil and my face don't look shiny. So I'm gonna cleanse this off. I hope this video helped you a lot, and I hope you will practice this routine. Reason why I show you like this is not something that you have to worry about, as in it time consuming. You go home in the evening, you know you're going to shower. Before you shower, I mean, there are maybe a little chores that maybe you have some clothes in the machine that you want to hang out. You just blend this or grate it quick, because it's just a little piece. I show you the little amount that you need. Put it on your face, and then you go and do your little chores. Maybe you need to clean the bathroom. If you have a helper then and you want to do it, then I guess you can just sit down and relax. You don't have to worry about time. You can just sit down and relax and do it to yourself, because sometimes we need that little time after our hard days of work to spend with ourselves. But if you're a busy person like me, that's what I do. I do it while I'm doing my chores, and that's how I maintain this glow that I have. And as I said, when I'm using the turmeric, if you notice, I glow. But when I go in the sun, oh my, I come back, I have a different look. And the carrot, if I start maintaining it, so if I do it once or twice a month, it don't work for me. I have to be consistent for it to show me that natural result. So in my videos, I don't know if you noticed, my complexion like it changed over a period of time. I haven't been using the carrot for a good while, so because it's summer and it's affecting my skin, I said let me start using back the carrot. So now this is my journey, and I hope you'll start it with me, and you can come back and comment and tell me how long you do it for to get your look, and what your experience is. So please like, share, comment, and let me know. I'm gonna cleanse this off my face and just put on a moisturizer, and that's it. Thanks for tuning in to my little beauty talk.